There are many ways to make money in Indian business, but here are some tips that may be helpful. Identify a market need. Look for gaps in the market that can be filled with a new product or service. This could be anything from an innovative tech solution to a product that meets a specific need in a particular demographic. Develop a solid business plan. A business plan is essential to the success of any business. It should include a detailed description of your products or services, a marketing plan, financial projections, and a strategy for growth. Focus on customer service. Providing excellent customer service is critical to the success of any business. Make sure you listen to your customers' needs and address their concerns promptly. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. This includes a website, social media presence, and online marketing campaigns. Be prepared to adapt. The business landscape in India can be unpredictable, so it's essential to be flexible and adaptable to changes in the market. Look for government incentives. The Indian government offers several incentives and subsidies to small businesses. Look for opportunities to take advantage of these programs to reduce your costs and improve your chances of success. Network. Building a strong network of contacts and industry peers can help you stay up to date with the latest trends and opportunities in the Indian business world. Remember, starting a business in India can be challenging, but with hard work, determination, and a solid strategy, you can succeed and make money in the Indian business market.